Hello, I'm Dr. Dietrich Apps, and I am the founder and historian with Footsteps to Home. I want to talk to you a little bit about the name Footsteps to Home and why it's so important to me. It actually has a lot of meaning for me, and it comes from my ancestor, Caroline Nicola Foote. I'm sharing this today during Women's History Month, and it's also my birthday. So it feels like a really nice time to honor her. I actually, if you notice, footsteps, those things are not a coincidence. Caroline Nicola Foote, Footsteps to Home. She's my second great grandmother, and she was born January 7th, 1853 in Christiana, Manchester, Jamaica. Yes, I am of Jamaican heritage, and my dad is from Jamaica, West Indies. So she's my second great grandmother on my paternal side. And her parents were George and Rebecca. She married my great great grandfather, Ebenezer Abe Allen, and she had six children, just like my mama had six children but hers were over a period of 16 years. She lived and she passed away in Jamaica at the age of 61 years old. So this is a very important day for me to honor her. I actually found her through research and it's a very important name in our family history because the Foote family out of Jamaica had kind of been lost a little bit in our family, and finding her name actually changed something for me. And it was very, very special because, the name was nearly lost in our family history. My family had heard a little bit about our relationship to the Foote family, but I was able to find her in our history. So this is not just genealogy. It's really about identity. It's about honoring women whose names were not carried forward in our families. And this day, Caroline Nicola Foote, I'm so happy to say, my second great grandmother, Footsteps to Home is rooted in this. So, Foote is very special. It's not just about the actual foot, but it's about the name Foote. And it is the footsteps of those who have come before us that are leading us back to who we are. And that's what happened with me. That's what happened with me. It's through Caroline Nicola Foote that these footsteps have connected me to my family in Ghana. And I'm going to keep sharing this with you. And I'm excited about it. There's so many women whose stories were never told. And so Footsteps to Home is it's about remembering. And today it's about remembering my great great grandmother. Her name was almost lost, but it's not lost anymore. And I'm honoring her. And on my birthday, I choose to remember her. So today, I'm honoring you, great great grandmother Caroline Nicola Foote. Footsteps to Home.